Good morning, friends. So, our today's question is from ionic equilibrium, and the question is the solubility product constants of silver chromate and silver bromide are given to us. Okay, 1.1 into 10 raised power minus 12 and 5.0 into 10 raised power minus 13. Okay, we have to calculate the ratio of the molarities of their saturated solutions. Molarities of their saturated solution means ratio of the solubility, ratio of the solubilities. Okay, because molarity of the saturated solution means maximum molarity, and maximum molarity is solubility, right? So first we have to calculate separately solubility of silver chromate and silver bromide. Solubility products are given to us, so very simple. So step one is calculation of solubility of, or molar solubility we can say, or molarity of silver chromate, right? So to calculate this, we have to write this equation. Yeah, like silver chromate solid in aqueous solution, it give 2 Ag plus aqueous plus CrO4 2 negative aqueous. Okay, and let the solubility is S, so it become 2S, and this is S. What is S? That is the solubility of silver chromate, or take it as S. Oh, okay, let us take it as X, just to differentiate between silver chromate and silver bromide. See, X is solubility of silver chromate, which is molarity of its saturated solution. Okay, so to write Ksp, you know, Ag plus ion concentration raised to power 2, chromate ion concentration raised to power 1. So 2x raised to power 2 into x, that is 4x cube. Okay, so in this way, x cube is equal to Ksp over 3. That implies x is equal to Ksp over 3 raised to power, yes, 1 by 3. And what is Ksp? 1.1 into 10 raised to power minus 12 divided by, okay, sorry, divided by 4. Okay, it is 4 actually, I'm sorry. So 1.1 into 10 raised to power minus 12 over 4. Okay, raised to power 1 by 3. So x comes out to be, yes, 1.1 over 4 cube root 10 raised to power minus 4. So it is 1.1 over 4. It is 0.275 raised to power 1 by 3 into 10 raised to power minus 4. That is 0.65 into 10 raised to power minus 4. That implies x is, in scientific notation, 6.5 into 10 raised to power minus 5 molar. This is the molarity of saturated solution of silver chromate. Okay, now second part is calculation of molarity, or we can say molar solubility of silver bromide. Now to calculate, you know, it is AgBr solid in aqueous, it gives Ag plus aqueous plus Br negative aqueous. Okay, so solubility of AgBr, let us say Y is solubility of AgBr. Y is solubility of AgBr. Okay. So Ksp is equal to Ag plus ion concentration raised to power 1, Br negative ion raised to power 1. That is Y into Y. That is Y square. Okay. So Y is equal to Ksp raised to power 1 by 2. And what is Ksp? Ksp of AgBr is 5.0 into 10 raised to power minus 30. Right? So raised to power 1 by 2. So that is, yes, take it as 50. Okay. Into 10 raised to power minus 14. Raised to power 1 by 2. So it becomes 10 raised to power minus 7 into 7 7 is the 49. So it is 7.07 actually. Okay. So this is the solubility of AgBr. Okay. Now third part. Step 3 is calculation of ratio. Ratio of the molarities of the saturated solutions. That means the ratio of their solubilities. So it is molarity or solubility of Ag2CrO4 divided by molarity of AgBr. Okay, so molarity of Ag2CrO4 is 6.5 into 10 raised to minus 5, and it is 7.07 into 10 raised to power 10 raised to power minus 7. Okay, so it comes out to be 10 raised to power 2 into 0. Yes, 919. That means it is 91.9. This is the ratio of the molarities of the saturated solution. Okay, so that's all about the question number 68 of ionic equilibrium. Thank you very much for watching this video. Do like, subscribe and share my channel. God bless you all. Happy learning. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.